Hey everyone, I've been super busy today, and so I'm gonna throw together a casserole for supper tonight. This is super easy, and if you just wanna follow along, here we go. Now go ahead and preheat that oven to 350 degrees. Go ahead and scramble up 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using ground turkey due to my allergies. You want 1 small whole onion, and go ahead and dice that up and put that in there. And once you're done with that, go ahead and spray some Pam in a 9x13 casserole dish. I use olive oil. I like to use that a lot of times instead of Pam. Now we're going to transfer the ground beef or turkey and onions into the casserole dish. Spread that out. You'll need 2 cans of cream of mushroom. Open those up. Pour them in a bowl. Now go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of sour cream to that mixture. Go ahead and mix that up. This is one of my husband's favorite recipes. He actually requested this. Now you can add bell peppers to this, you can add green beans, you can add veggies. I've seen a lot of recipes like that, but this is just how I make it. Now we're ready for the next layer. Go ahead and add that mixture. I'm gonna use my little spatula here and get all the goodness out. And you want to spread that as evenly as you can, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So now that we've got that second layer, grab your tater tots. I've got a 32-ounce bag of tater tots. Go ahead and put those on there. If you're OCD, you can place all those tater tots all the way across there if you want to, but I'm just throwing it together. I am a little OCD about some things, but this is not one of them. I do go ahead and make sure you've got some in every little hole there, just like that. Now we put that in the oven. We're gonna leave it in there for 45 minutes, and then we're gonna pull it out, top it with cheese, and put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. And I like to broil the top and really melt that cheese for about 2 minutes. And voila, this is so good. Thanks for watching Home Cooking is for the Birds. I hope you guys have a great evening.